Senator Nancy Binay and Alan Peter Cayetano clashed in today's hearing over the new Senate building in Taguig.
They talked over each other, accused each other of politicking, and insulted each other at almost every turn. Things got so heated that Senator Binay walked out of the committee hearing.
In the end, though, the fate of the new Senate building, which we found out today, is now 852 days delayed, remains in limbo. Man Los Maños with a big story tonight.
So ba't ka galit na galit sa akin ngayon na nire-review ko yung amount na yan?
Ang goal ko lang matapos ang building na to.
15 buwan yung pastry sa mesa mo, wala kang ginawa.
Senate Accounts Committee Chair Alan Peter Cayetano and Senator Nancy Binay clashed and butted heads throughout the first day of the committee's review of the new Senate building project in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. The project was put on hold by Senate President Chis Escudero, who said its costs have ballooned to 23 billion pesos even though it hasn't been completed. Senator Binay, who was the former chair of the Accounts Committee before Cayetano took over, questioned why Cayetano was insisting that the total price tag of the building is 23 billion pesos, when according to the DPWH, it was only 21.7 billion pesos covering phases 1 to 3.
Records
your
to ng SCT, Senator Binay, that was given to me by the SCT. Who are your staff?
Yes. Wait,
so what's the problem? No, ma'am, ginugulo mo yung hearing eh. Wala namang kailangan magulo. Yan ang sinabit sa akin. So kung sasabihin mo mali, edi ano yung tamang number?
Mr. Chairman,
listen to me first.
Can we just go back?
Listen to me first. No, ang problema sa iyo, you keep going around saying, gusto ko makausap si Alan, gusto ko makausap si Chis. Nagkita pa tayo sa party, may cellphone, hindi mo naman kami kinakausap, tapos manggugulo ka ngayon sa hearing.
Cayetano insisted the computation should have included the cost of acquiring the land, which is an additional 1.6 billion pesos.
Mr. Chairman,
wala yung lote dyan, 21. Ma'am, bigay sa akin ng DPWH to. Ang problema, hindi ka nakikinig.
Yun na nga, hindi ka marunong magbasa. 21 naging 23.
Move on, kasi out of order ka na.
There are talks that Senator Binay was considering running for mayor of Makati next year once her Senate term ends, while Taguig, a bailiwick of the Cayetanos, was embroiled in a territorial dispute against Makati over the jurisdiction of 10 Embo barangays.
Ma'am, ano ba intention mo sa guguluhin mo yung hearing namin?
Hindi ko ginugulo yung hearing.
It's 23 billion total. Ang dami mo nang inimbento sa media kung saan mo na dinala yung issue.
Wala ko akong iniimbento.
Imbento ka, naka-10 interview ka. Baka naman ito yung Makati, Taguig. Hindi mo man lang iniba yung question dun sa radyo, lahat sila pare-pareho question, eksakto pa. Di halatang ikaw nagbigay ng question. Ano namang kilalaman? Ano namang kilalaman ng Taguig?
Bakit naman ako magbibigay ng question sa media,
so, napakagaling
Mr. Chairman? Baka gawain mo yung nagbibigay ng tanong sa mga media.
Recall that Binay spoke at a press conference yesterday, July 2, where she suggested that the issue over the new Senate building cost was politically motivated. Binay also mentioned that there was a certain senator going around stabbing her in the back.
Ikaw yung pumupunta sa media, sa radyo, kung ano-anong paninira, kung ano sinasabi mo sa akin. Sabi mo may sumasaksak sa likod mo. Di kasuhan mo ng attempted murder. Sino ba sumasaksak sa likod mo? Wala akong alam doon.
Sige, bubulong ko sa iyo mamaya kung sino yung sumasaksak.
Pero hindi ako. Ano kilalaman ko doon is sasabihin mo...
Actually, Mr. Chairman, may sinabi ba akong ikaw? Wala akong sinasabi na ikaw, ha?
Paano mo sasabihin mo sa media, may kilalaman to sa Taguig at Makati.
Pero sinabi ko ba na Alan Peter Cayetano ang sumasaksak sa akin? Parang, di ba sabi nila yung pag nagre-react ng ganyan, baka guilty.
Ma'am, basta sasabihin ko sa iyo, Lourdes ang pangalan mo, hindi Marites.
Cayetano also hit Binay for the delay in the landscaping of the new Senate building. He said a 600 million peso proposal was submitted to Binay by the DPWH as early as March last year, which Binay said she was still reviewing.
Mr. Chairman, we're in the process of reviewing everything.
So it takes you more than a year to review everything. Kailan matatapos yung building? Ako, baka hindi ako umabot katulad ni Senator Enrile na 100 taon.
Hindi. Kung ako ay nagpatuloy ng building, talagang pipilitin natin matapos.
Paano nga matatapos kung yung phase 3 mo, 1 taon na sa'yo, at 15 months na sa mesa mo, then you have the gall to tell all of us na yung delay na sa amin?
The argument kept coming back to the 23 billion peso figure, so Binay eventually grilled the DPWH executive in charge of the project.
Yes or no lang, o can they answer?
Sige.
Can they answer? On your end, DPWH, Nag-i-exist ba sa documents nyo yung amount na 23 billion?
There is none, Mr. Chair.
There's no such thing as 23 billion sa
Paulit-ulit na tayo
DPWH.
kanina
Thank you,
pa
Mr.
na
Chair.
21.7 billion. Kabuang Kanaday. Tapusin natin na maayos to. Senado to ng Pilipinas, hindi to palengke.
One other notable thing that came up in the hearing was that the new Senate building project has been delayed by 852 days. Because of this, almost 79 million pesos in charges have been added to the construction cost. The hearing on the matter will continue next week. Reporting for News 5, Mean Los Baños, we are One News.